Good afternoon from Grasmere. So we are here in a lake district. As you can see, it's raining outside, uh, and I will take you around for a walk to see exactly how it looks like. So still stay till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Here it is.
This is the one. Yeah, right.
So we have over here like a shop with a cafe, food. Look at this. Beautiful, nice. Here it is. And there in the front, I think, is like a church, that one. So we just been here to a shop. It's this one. Now we're going to the town center to see what's happened.
Village.
Village, not town center. Look at this. Flowers.
Gelato.
So yeah, I will not speak anymore. I'll let you to enjoy the walk. And I'll just show you the view around. Here we go, guys.
You need a car.
Exactly how I thought. Here is a church. Let's see what's here. Here you go. It's a service in progress. Don't go inside to film. Oh, that's beautiful over there for the cafe.
That's really nice, yeah. This is such a romantic street.
Yeah. Over there. Look at these flowers. Which
Cherry
flowers
blossom.
are cherry blossom? And these guys. Absolutely stunning. Let's keep going. It's over there. And I think this is the village center. The shops. This one is closed. Probably because it's Good Friday today. Some of the people are not working. Let's see this one over here like this. Oh, a coin. I don't have one. Did I take card?
You don't get a wish then.
Well, this is a beautiful park. Yeah, it's a tap room. There it is. Beautiful. Sitting in the windows, watching people in the summer on a terrace. And there you can find mountains, equipment. Should we go there? Yeah, let's cross the street. Let's,
Where are we going?
no, I just want to take a shot on this. There you go, guys. As you can see, it's raining very badly. Look at the mountains and the dark clouds. Very expensive here parking. 2 hours is £5.
Wow.
We was lucky. By the way, we got the tickets for free. Somebody left and they just give us the ticket. So if I got a ticket, a penalty, I have a witness here. My
Little cabin.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this beautiful cabin. Well, here you can hiking if you really want to do. Now look at this little river stream, not even a river stream. This one is closed. Oh no, it's open. It's a pub here. Yeah. And in the front of me is the camping sides. Let's just have a look on the camping sides. Look how big it is. Let me show you around, guys. Look how beautiful it is here. This little bridge. Yeah. We don't struggle.
Exactly.
Here it is, guys. Take you around a little bit for a nice little walk. Beautiful countryside here. Which way should we go? Left, right? And there's a duck over there. I don't know if it's...
Let's go down here by the sheep.
Got these little flowers. What's it called, these flowers?
Bluebells.
Bluebells. We have the sheep over here. It's beautiful. Look at the water. Well, when I was little, I used to go on streams like this and just to take a bath. Enjoy in the summer when it was very hot outside. You just really want to jump in the water. Back home in the summer they are like 35 degrees. This is this is a little park here. We have here in front of me an expert in horticulture. So that's the reason why I asked.
Really? I didn't know the answer to that question.
Yeah, but you know for the other ones. Let's see where we're going from here.
We're by the church again.
Here is a garden. Look at this, how beautiful it is. So today it's about walking in Lake District. Okay, let's see this hidden gem. Let's see. It's here.
Yeah, but that's in. We're wearing just a jumper.
This is the town center, the village center, bistro cafe here if you want to have a coffee. It's beautiful here, isn't it?
It's really nice. Yeah.
Look at the mountains over there.
It gets popular. Imagine that with a little fire.
Look at that, such a beautiful house. Even if it's raining, it's still beautiful.
The tower.
Yeah, it's a pub here. More ships and lamps here. The left side. And we have this cherry blossom in front of us. It's beautiful. And there is an antique shop. Look guys, let me show you around how beautiful it is here. Let's go a tiny bit further up to see what's happened here. And I think we arrived for art exhibition. Well guys, that's it from here. Give me a like and subscribe please if you like this video, and see you in the next one.